Breaking bad habits isn't about willpower, it's about transformation. The secret to transformation is redesigning your environment. Rewiring your triggers is essential for lasting change. By the end of this video, you will learn a proven method to quit any habit for good. Many people struggle with debilitating habits that seem impossible to shake. This frustration often leads to feelings of failure after every relapse. Overcoming this cycle requires understanding the true nature of habits. What if your friends and environments are reinforcing your bad habits? It's time to explore the influence of context on behavior. The challenge is not about isolation, but about conscious proximity. Studies indicate that changing your surroundings can help you change your habits. Research shows that habit formation is tied to the context in which they occur. People serious about breaking bad habits recognize the power of their environment. To stop bad habits, first identify the triggers in your environment. Consider who you're around when you engage in these behaviors. Instead of cutting off those people completely, spend less time in those environments. Establish a new, stronger version of yourself. Replace bad habits with positive activities that align with your goals. For example, if smoking during breaks is a trigger, shift to a quick walk. A healthy snack can also be a good alternative to smoking. Imagine the urge to smoke replaced by the invigorating feel of fresh air. A walk can provide a refreshing alternative to harmful habits. Changing your context can lead to changes in your behaviors. Over time, a new environment will reinforce a healthier identity. Transformation is not just possible, it is achievable. Intentional changes can lead to significant improvements in your life. The journey to overcoming addiction starts with understanding your environment. Your surroundings influence your habits more than you might realize. Redesigning your surroundings can lead to lasting change. Replacing harmful triggers is key to breaking bad habits. Self-awareness is crucial in the path to personal development. Conscious choices can lead to significant transformations. Embrace this blueprint for permanent change today. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more actionable strategies on personal development. Hit the notification bell for updates on future content. Empower your journey to success with the right strategies. Understanding your environment is the first step to change. Transform your life by making conscious choices. Surround yourself with positivity to break bad habits. Identify your triggers to take control of your habits. Replace negative behaviors with positive ones. A supportive environment can help you succeed. Your habits are shaped by your surroundings. Change your context to change your life. Take small steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Visualize the positive outcomes of breaking bad habits. Commit to making intentional changes in your life. Seek out environments that support your goals. Engage in activities that reinforce your new identity. Celebrate your progress as you break free from bad habits. Remember, transformation takes time and effort. Stay focused on your journey to personal growth. Every small change contributes to your overall success. You have the power to reshape your habits.